Welcome back. Here I am in a 2050 Ford F350 Super Duty Turbo Diesel. It's a Larison Platinum Edison. So let's go for a little ride. So much torque, and I would compare this one to the Chevy Silverado 2500 Super Duty last time. They are just amazingly power, like with high torque, high power diesel engine. We can leave out can't leave it out the Ford, the Chevy, and the other brand, Dodge Ram. They're just amazing, like pickup truck, and they hold their brand and they build quality trucks. I just love being in like these trucks because the visibility, we have the whole view in the front. We can see every single thing in the front. It's so easy to drive. Well, here we are, 2015 Ford Super Duty F350. Come with the turbo diesel engine, 4x4, and it is amazing. ride. Very very comfortable to ride in. Check out the interiors. All leather seat. Come with the platinum stitching on it. Got a rear AC vane. Got the, you know, running bar, automatic running bars, and of course, welcome to the driver's seat. It's come with the 4x4 switch right here, so you can try off-roading or just on the street. Put in two-wheel drive high, and then we have the audio unit, touchscreen, AC control, and yeah, it's very nice truck. And of course, sunroof so that we can see the skies. A beautiful view of the sky. Alright, it was a fun ride. Thank you for coming with me, and please leave it in the comments. What do you think about these lifted truck? Are they amazing? Are they cool? I like it. I like it a lot. So, alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.